Please remain seated with your seatbelt fastened until the seatbelt sign is turned off. And keep the aisles clear of all carry-on items. Take a moment to check your seat back pocket for any personal items, like tablets and cell phones. When you open the overhead compartment, be careful, as items may have moved in flight. And thank you for choosing American Airlines.
They got a lot of breweries and stuff out there. So I'm excited about that. That's what I'm planning on. I'm surprised that like she told me like the weather and how much it was there. Like super hot every night. It's only like in the 5 degrees.
It's only 62 today.
That's like crap.
That's why I told you, well, it's gonna be 70.